This is a brand new 2013 Ford Taurus. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission and a 3.5-liter V6. Its top features include adaptive cruise control, cooled driver and passenger seats, XM satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: adjustable driver pedals, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, 12-volt power outlets, side curtain airbags, air conditioning, a push-button ignition, front and rear reading lights, a four-wheel independent suspension, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Capital City Ford is located at 8623 East Washington Street in Indianapolis. Please stop by our location or visit us online at capcityford.com.